Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can turn off Siri and the suggestions Siri gives you on your iPhone. So if this is annoying, this will be the perfect video. You can turn it off pretty easily, and I'll show you how to do this right now. So let's get right into it. Open up your phone and hop into the settings on your phone. Then we want to search for Siri, so at the top in the search bar just type in Siri. Then you'll see Siri and search. That's where we want to go, so click on that, and then right at the top you can see everything you want to turn off. So first of all, listen for it. You can have that off, then Siri doesn't activate at all, or if you want to have it on, you can switch between Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So you can have these options. If you want it off, turn it to off. Now this press side button for Siri, you can toggle that off also if you want to have it off, and the messages with Siri you can also automatically turn off. So you don't get any messages, you don't activate Siri accidentally. Now there is some more options you have. So for example, you can turn off these suggestions from Apple in the library, show and sharing, show and listening. So you can change different things here. You can turn off suggestions that Apple usually gives you because you search for certain things, etc. And you can turn off Siri for certain apps. So if you click on an app you want to have it off for, you can click on that, then go to suggestions, and then you have these three options you can turn off. So show on home screen, suggest app, and suggestion notifications. You can then turn that all off, then you won't get any notifications, no suggestions that Apple gives you on any other app on your home screen. If you don't want that, if that's quite annoying sometimes for you, you can just easily turn that off just like this. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. I'll be happy to help you, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe if this helped you.